There are some cognitive biases that can make or break a sale online, depending on how you manage them. Today, I'm going to explain you some of those biases and how to use some Elementor widgets to easily handle those psychological biases, and doing that, skyrocketing your sales. So let's get into it. So let's get started by talking about the social proof psychological bias. Social proof implies three things. We trust in other people. We think that the majority of people knows better than us. And as a consequence of 1 and 2, the best way to make a decision is to look at the decisions that other people have made. Customer reviews and testimonials are one of the strongest forms of social proof. Let's see then the first widget to show social proof in our website by using the Testimonial Carousel widget. Okay, let's take a look at the Testimonial Carousel widget from Elementor Pro. I'm going to drag and drop this widget. And let's say that I have Ty Lopez as one of my customers. And he provided a testimonial for me. So the SEO services provided by pragmaticreviews.com helped me to increase my sales. We can change the name of the author of the testimonial. So let's say this is Ty Lopez, and let's put an image of Ty here. Okay, looks pretty good. And you can add some other items to this carousel, and you can customize it. You can use different skins, and you can align to the left. You can center it, or you can align it to the right. And you can select how many slides per view are you going to show. Maybe you can, if you want to show 2 of them, you can do that, like this, or maybe 3. So you can customize this the way you want. And you can also select the slides to scroll. If you want to scroll 2 or 1, you can select that as well. And you can change the width. You can also do that. And there are some additional options like the arrows, if you show them or not. And you can use that fraction or progress for the pagination of the elements. Let's select fraction, or you can select progress. Here at the top, you can see the progress. Okay, and you can also select the autoplay speed. So let's increase it. So this should move faster now. And we can change the image size. So let's preview this. And that's about it. Let's see now the second Elementor Pro widget to show social proof, the reviews widget. Let's take a look at the reviews Elementor Pro widget. I'm going to drag and drop this widget here, and let's customize it. So we can change the name of the author. In this case, we are showing a tweet that provides a testimonial using that social media platform. So let's say Ty Lopez tweeted that testimonial for us. I'm going to select one image of him, and I'm going to change the handle, the Twitter handle for Ty Lopez, and I'm going to keep that social network. We can change the slides per view, We can add more than one. We can select as many as we want, and we can change the width. Okay, and we have some additional options that are pretty similar to the Testimonial Carousel widget, where we can change the pagination element as dots, fraction, or progress. We can increase the transition duration. So let's make this faster. And we can also increase the autoplay speed. We can turn it on, turn it off. We can select if this is going to be an infinite loop or not. And you can select if we want a pause on an interaction. And here we can select the size of the images. Let me customize another item to select another social network. Let's say Shondo, and add Shondo. And let's select Facebook, for example. Okay, now we have a testimonial from Chondo that he posted on Facebook. Let's preview this. And that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at another important psychological bias, the scarcity bias. This bias is our natural inclination to become fearful and anxious when there is a threat of losing out, also known as FOMO, or fear of missing out. This sense of anxiety from scarcity triggers us into action and causes us to become more vulnerable to temptation and impulse. So limited time offers and time-sensitive discounts are great ways to use scarcity and get people to take action. Let's see then another Elementor Pro widget to show limited time offers to use scarcity and get people to take action. This is the countdown widget. Let's review now the countdown Elementor Pro widget to add a scarcity in our sales page. So let's say that I want to add this scarcity element, if you will. And let's say that I'm going to change the prices really low. I'm going to put really low prices, and I want to keep this offer for a limited time. Let's see what are the things that we can do with the countdown widget. So we can change the style, the layout, we can change the due date. Let's say that we want to finish this offer in 2 days. So we can say, okay, September the 23, in 1 day, 23 hours, 50 minutes, and 10 seconds, this offer is going to expire. We can turn on and off different things of the countdown. For example, if we want to hide the days, we can do that. If we want to hide the hours, we can do that as well. Okay. We can show a label or not, or we can create a custom label for days, hours, minutes, and seconds. And we can select different actions after this countdown expires. So we can say, okay, when it expires, redirect the users to this URL, or we can hide the countdown, or we can show a message. And we can customize the style, the width, the background color, the border, the space between the elements. We can change the color and the typography of the digits and the label, and we can create different effects. We can add some border. We can change some things related to responsiveness. We can hide it on desktop or hide it on tablet or on mobile. We can select those options. And there are some other custom attributes that we can create. And we can also add some custom CSS if we want to customize this further. Let's preview these changes. And that's pretty much it. Now you know what to do if you want to boost your sales. So click the link in the description below and try Elementor for free today. This is Enrique with Pragmatic Reviews signing off. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.